IUPAC nomenclature, a single functional group containing compounds, is a part 2. Today especially that terminal functional groups we are going to discuss. Those are, see here, aldehydes, acid chloride and carboxylic acids, cyanides, esters, carboxylic acid, amide, isonitrile, oic acid. Okay, these functional groups are terminal functional groups. Terminal functional group means any one of the end these functional groups will come. Next, in the common nomenclature, if one carbon is there for these functional groups, one carbon is there, formic acid, formaldehyde, like that. Then two carbons are there, acid. Three onwards it's okay. Okay, then again fifth one is different. Sorry, fifth one here, valor. First carbon, second and fifth carbon, 5 carbons. If 5 carbons are there, valor. And first one, formic acid, formaldehyde. Then second, acid. These three are more important. Remaining, if three carbons are there, propio, almost propane, propio related. 4 carbons, butane, butyl, almost similar. Okay, these are completely different. Just you concentrate more on these three names. Okay, next, for these functional groups, suffix names are there. So each functional group we will discuss. Now, carbonyl compounds we will discuss first of all. Carbonyl compound. What is the carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compound means carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes and ketones are known as carbonyl compounds. C double bond O. If one hydrogen is there, that is aldehyde. Okay. If two alkyl groups, both sides two alkyl groups are there, that is ketone. These two functional groups commonly known as carbonyl compounds. Why we are calling carbonyl compounds? The C double bond O group is carbonyl group. Okay, this is the carbonyl group. That's why these are carbonyl compounds. So for aldehyde, one hydrogen should be present. For ketones, no one hydrogen. Both should be alkyl groups. Okay. Next, general molecular formula you can see here. General representation is RCHO. General representation. General formula is CnH2NO. Suffix is aldehyde. Aldehyde means starting two letters Al, al. Okay. IUPAC name is alkanol. Alk means that carbon chain. Last ending में al, alkanol. Now, if you take the first compound HCHO, so in the common name we already learned form will come. So formaldehyde. Aldehyde common name is aldehyde only. Formaldehyde. For IUPAC, meth, one carbon is there. Meth, single bonds, N plus suffix is al. Meth, N, al में, while you are combining these three parts, just you cut this E. Why? Because here suffix, these vowels are there, A and E. It should not come together. That's why we are cutting that E. Then we are adding remaining methane. Remove that E. Then name methanol. Like this, you can give the remaining names also. Okay. Next, suppose CH3, CH2, CHO is there. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3 carbons. First I will write common name, then IUPAC. In the common name, 3 carbons are there, means what? Propionaldehyde. Aldehyde only. Propionaldehyde. Okay. In the IUPAC name, 3 carbons are there, means prop plus ane plus all. Propane all. While you are combining this, just you cut it E. Propane all. Propanol. Final name is propanol. Like this, you can give the numbering names. Next example, you can see here 2 methyl groups are there on CH. Just you write CH and CHO. On the CH, 2 methyl groups are there. Just you write CH3. Now, what is the long chain here? 1, 2, 3. Same propionaldehyde, but methyl is there. So, sorry, in IUPAC name, 2 methyl propane all. Propanol. 2 methyl propane all. You can see here 2 methyl propane all. Here 1 all no need to write, because aldehyde is a terminal functional group, so always 1 all only. Okay, like this. Suppose if you take the in the IUPAC common name it looks like just Y shape. Okay, in the last classes we discussed this group is iso group. Okay, total carbons are 4 including this carbon. So iso 1, 2, 3, 4 isobutyraldehyde. Okay, then last one here 1, 2, 3, 4 total 4 carbons are there in the IUPAC. Very simple, you take but. Okay, ene is there, just you write ene also, then all is there, that is a functional group. But ene, where is that ene? Second position. So but 2 ene all. What about common name? Common name you have to remember that structure was there. 3 carbon plus 1 pi bond is acrolein. ठीक है. 4 carbon plus pi bond. 4 carbon plus 1 pi bond is croto. Okay, crotonaldehyde, acrylaldehyde. Okay, commonly it's known as acrolein, but here crotonaldehyde. Okay, next. Suppose here more than one functional group is there. In case of aldehyde, suppose CHO is there. Okay, so in that case the common name is glycol. Glyoxal. So one more is there, glycol. The glycol is CH2OH and CH2OH. If 2 hydroxy groups are there, that is glycol. The similar name here, glyoxal. Okay, glyoxal. Next, suppose in between CHO, CH2, CHO like this is there, then what you will do? You have to give the numbering. For this there is no common name. 1, 2, 3 IUPAC name we can give. Total 4. 4 means first of all but. Okay, sub single bonds. That's why butane. But plus ane plus suffix is all. How many alls are there? 2 times came. So diol. What is the position? 1, 4. So the final name is butane. Don't write. Now you can write this E also. Why? Because after E, D letter is there. So no problem. So butane as it is, butane 1, 4 diol. all, 1 comma 4 diol, butane 1 comma 4 diol. So this is the aldehyde nomenclature. Next, ketone. Ketone, the general representation is RCOR or C double bond or both sides alkyl group. General molecular formula is CnH2nO, CnH2nO. Here suffix, the suffix is -one, O-N-E. The suffix is -one. You can see here in the IUPAC, -one. What about in the common name? In the common name generally ketone, ketone के लिए ketone, aldehyde के लिए aldehyde. Okay. Now ketone means this much it is covered. The CO is covering. So here methyl is there, here also methyl is there. So dimethyl ketone, common name. Common name is very easy. See second one side methyl, other side ethyl is there. Okay. So alphabetical order you have to arrange. Ethyl, methyl, ketone. Okay. Next methyl and propyl is there. So methyl, propyl, ketone. Methyl, propyl, ketone. So like the diethyl ketone. Now IUPAC. In case of IUPAC, you have to give the numbering. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So here the common name is acetone for this. Of course here dimethyl ketone, this one is 1 methyl, this one is 1 methyl. So dimethyl ketone. Ketone means this much. This is the middle one is a ketone, dimethyl ketone. But one more name is there for this, acetone. Acetone is more famous than dimethyl ketone. Okay. Now for this IUPAC name, IUPAC name is you have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3. So total prop all single bonds N plus one. Here again 2 ovals are there, that's why just you cut it 1 E, then you write the final name propane O-N-E. Now the pronunciation is propanone. The pronunciation is propanone, like this. Next, one more compound. What is this compound name? You have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 carbons are there. That's why it's a pent, single bond, N, ketone, one. Now one in which position? Second position is there. That's why you have to mention the one position also. Okay. Now final name is pentane, number and name बीच में hyphen, 2 one. See here I skipped the E letter. Okay, you should not write E because 2 ovals are there. But this ketone is 2 times is there, suppose double bond O, double bond O. In this case again numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so pent, again pent, then single bond is there N, then one suffix is how many times? 2 times. So dione, like in dione where the position second and fourth. So 2 comma 4. Just you combine these all. Okay. Now pent N. Now you can write this E also. Why? Because after E we are getting D. So there is no problem. Pentane as it is. Pentane 2 comma 4. Pentane 2 comma 4 dione. Pentane 2 comma 4 dione. So like this you can write. If more than one time this functional group is there, ketone, Next, carboxylic acid we can discuss in the next video.